What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick guide I'm going to show you two easy and reliable locations to find apricots in our craters so you can collect them fast without running all over the map. Apricots are an important resource in our craters because they're used for crafting and survival progression. So knowing where to find them constantly can really help you stay prepared during your runs. The goal is simple, finding apricots. These can be easy to miss if you're not paying attention. So the video focuses on clear environmental cues to help you spot them quickly. First, apricot location. It is showing you the surrounding environment and landmarks. This helps you recognize the area even if you're visiting it for the first time. As you move through this location, keep an eye on the ground and nearby vegetation because apricots blend into the environment if you run past them. Once you spot the apricot, the video clearly shows the collection process, confirming that the item is successfully added to your inventory. This lets you know you're interacting with the correct object. After that, the footage shifts to a second easy apricot location. This spot is just as reliable and is demonstrated clearly so you can recognize it quickly. Having multiple locations like this is important because it gives you backup options if one area is already looted or too dangerous during your run. Again, the video shows the apricot being picked up, reinforcing that this is a consistent spawn and not just a random find. Move slowly in apricot areas because these fruits are easy to miss if you sprint though. Try to collect apricots regularly even if you don't need them immediately. Stockpiling resources helps a lot later on. Use landmarks shown in the video to memorize these spots so future runs are faster and more efficient. And that's it. This is a short focused guide showing two simple and reliable apricot locations in our traders, perfect for quick resource farming. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more arc trader guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.